Hello friends, welcome to the 14th grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss all about prepositions. This is the 6th part of speech from the 8 parts of speech that we are learning. We have already discussed about the 5 parts of speech which are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and adverb in our previous video. Please check those videos if you haven't already or need a revision. Links for them are in the description. To get most out of this video, please watch it till the end. Okay, so let's get started. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Link here means they provide relationship between noun and other words in any sentence and thus makes the sentence complete. These other words may be noun, verb or adjective. Let's understand them with an example. The cat is running and now where is it sitting? The cat is sitting under the table. Here under is used to link table, which is a noun, and sitting placement of cat. If we do not use under and write the same sentence, it is the cat is sitting the table. We are not able to get what is the relationship between the sitting of cat and table. Using under, we are confirmed that cat is sitting under the table. Hence, under is a preposition here. Now, let's look into the types of preposition. These are divided into 3 types depending on 3 situations. When an event or thing happened, where the event or thing occurred, and in which direction the event or thing is happening. The prepositions that describe when an event happened are defined as preposition of time. Examples of them are in, on, at, before, after. Let's look into some sentence example to make things clear. My birthday falls in January. Here, when my birthday falls, it falls in the month of January. In here is a linking word and hence is a preposition. My vacation ends on Monday. When my vacation ends, it ends on Monday. On here is a linking word and hence is a preposition. It gets cold at night. When it gets cold at night. At here is a linking word and hence is a preposition. Remember that this preposition links when one thing happened in context to other. Now let's look into next one. The preposition that describes where anything is in context to other are defined as preposition of place. Examples of them include under, above, in, on and at. Now you might be thinking we had in, on, at as preposition of time and here also same, but please note they are used in different meanings. Let's see some sentence example to make things clear. The books are on the table. Now where are the books placed? They are placed on the table. Here on describes the link between table and books. Hence it is a preposition of place. The plane is just below the cloud. Where is the plane with respect to cloud? It is just below. Here below is a linking word. Remember, this preposition provides where the thing is with respect to another. Now let's look into the next type. The preposition that describes where to go or where to put something are called as preposition of direction. Some of the examples of them are to, into, of, from. Let me give you some sentence example to make things clear. We went to London last week. Here, to describes in which direction we went. So, Here to is the linking word. He went up the hill. Here up describes in which direction he went. So up is a linking word here. Remember, this preposition provides in which direction the thing is in respect to another. So these are the main three types of preposition. Now let's look into one more term related to preposition. Prepositional phrase. What is a phrase? It is a group of words. And what is a prepositional phrase? It is a group of words containing preposition. Let me give you some examples of it. The rabbit hopped through the garden. Here, through is a preposition and through the garden is a whole prepositional phrase. Let's see next one. The balloon drifted up the stairs. Here, up is the preposition and up the stairs is the whole prepositional phrase. Let's look into one more example to make things even clear. The tiger crept slowly over the grass. Here, over is the main preposition and over the grass is the prepositional phrase. So remember this, that prepositional phrase are group of words containing preposition. That's all about preposition in this video. Let's quickly recap what we have learned in this video. We discussed about what is a preposition. So, preposition is a word that links noun with other words in the sentence. Then we discussed about the types of preposition. Depending on the usage in the sentence, prepositions that describe when an event occurred are called preposition of time. Prepositions that describe where an event or thing is are called preposition of place, and the preposition that describes in which direction an event or thing is are called preposition of direction. And lastly, we discussed about prepositional phrase. Group of words containing preposition are called prepositional phrase. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates about the course.